Do you love reading books, listening to powerful speeches, or even watching blockbuster movies? What if I told you that some of the most famous ones were written by people whose names are on the cover or screen credits? Yes, that's where ghostwriting comes in. And no, it doesn't mean writing about ghosts, although that does sounds fun. Hello everyone, I am Pagalavan, writer, writing coach, and writing service provider with more than 20 years of experience. So, what exactly is ghostwriting? In simple terms, it is the process of writing something, be it a book, speech, article, or screenplay, for someone else who gets the credit. The purpose? To help people express their ideas professionally and effectively, even if writing isn't their strength. You will find ghostwriters working in all sorts of fields. Books from gripping novels to insightful memoirs, articles that make headlines, speeches delivered by public figures, scripts for movies and TV shows. Yep, ghostwriters are the unsung heroes behind a lot of what you enjoy. Being a ghostwriter isn't just about writing, it's about understanding the client's voice and ideas, researching deeply to ensure authenticity, crafting a polished piece that resonates. Thus, it's a part writer, part detective, and dedicated to the client's vision. Why hire a ghostwriter? You'll save time. You will get professional assistance to refine your ideas. You will achieve a polished, high quality result that's ready to shine. It's like having a magic wand for your creative dreams. Now, some of you might wonder, is ghostwriting legal? It is ethical? Absolutely. It's perfectly legal and has been used by countless people, including celebrities, for years. Many people have brilliant ideas but struggle to put them into words. That's where ghostwriters like me comes in. Working with a ghostwriter is like teaming up with a creative partner. The client shares their ideas and I bring them to life, making sure the final work sounds like them. The secret sauce, trust and collaboration. And yes, trust is crucial. Your secrets are safe with me. I won't reveal your name, book title, unless you give me permission. Let me share something exciting. A client of mine had an incredible idea for a book but didn't know how to express it. He got me as his ghostwriter. Fast forward to today, that book is a hit on Amazon KDP, earning him a steady stream of income. Ghostwriting turned his idea into a reality and it can do the same for you. If you are interested in turning your ideas into reality, check out my website linked in the description below. You'll find samples of my work and details about my pricing. Let's create something amazing together. And speaking of amazing, my next video on Wordsmith Wisdom series will be tips to stay motivated when writing gets hard. If you have ever felt stuck, you won't want to miss it. Thank you for exploring the unseen artistry behind some of the world's most impactful stories. So, see you soon in the next video. Keep writing.